You did pepperoni, no, you did bocconcini.
I thought this was a contest. Am I helping you? Or are we working?
Hey guys, Mike from Faema, Canada. Today we're in the Culinary Academy and we're going to be having a pizza competition, automation versus expertise.
My name's Mike too, but I'm a chef. Chef Mike. I've been doing it for about 17 years, specifically pizza making for about 17 years.
So this competition is going to be really simple. Me versus Mike. Round one, dough balling, weighing, and cutting.
Round two is going to be stretching. So I'm going to be doing some hand stretching traditionally, and Mike's going to be using our cold pressed automatic dough stretcher.
Round three is going to be dressing and baking.
And then finally, we're going to cook these pizzas, and we're going to have a little bit of taste test for the last round. So may the best man win, and let's go.
Let's go. Round one, I'm going to be using the dough divider. So this machine will automatically portion, weigh, size, and ball every single piece of dough here for me.
I'm going to be doing it by hand with the dough scraper and my hands. The balls are going to be around 280 grams, which is perfect for traditional 13-inch, 14-inch pizza. Michael's tray has about 15 portions on it, so his balls are 4,200 grams total, and they're going to break down, like I said, to about 15 280 gram balls. So here we go.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to go. Are we going? We're going. Let's go.
Yeah, we're going, buddy.
I've been doing this for 17 years. I'm very experienced. Saturday nights, Friday nights, busy downtown Toronto services. I've been there, I've been here, rushing to try to get dough balls done quickly. This is a familiar place. I'd like to be as relaxed as Mike is over there right now, I'm not gonna lie. Why, how's it going over there?
Buddy. Oh my
I
goodness.
gotta speed up a little bit, eh?
Look at, are you kidding me? You have
Where are your
no
trays?
shop.
You're not even ready.
You have no shop. Wow. Look at these.
That's what you
though.
pay money for, Mike.
They're really nice, eh? Like the
My
topping.
experience, not your.
Okay, so my first batch here is done. I'm gonna do my second batch. Buddy, you can't keep up with me. A little bit of flour on the plate. I got 15 divisions. I'm gonna take the dough here, put it on. I like to spread it a little bit, just like that. Throw it into my machine.
Oh man, I'm sweating over here.
Buddy, no shot.
I'm catching steam though, I'm getting momentum here, that's the difference. I'm like a snowball going downhill. Those are really nicely portioned too, they look really even.
Come on, are you kidding me? Professional. This is literally perfect.
Why did I agree to this?
The reason the machine like this is so great is because anyone can do it, and that's why I really like it. Obviously, you can get an experienced pizzaiolo. It's going to cost you a lot more than getting one machine and one guy who can feed it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. But I'm coming back, I'm coming back. You know the problem is, I might be going quick, but I'm a little inconsistent. I'm not gonna lie, my weights aren't exactly
Buddy,
perfect.
my balls are done. Time. Let's look at them. Let's go one batch for batch. Yeah,
Go batch for
hold on.
batch.
Okay.
Put my best up against yours.
I don't know if this is my best one, but they look really good.
You can see the consistency on these ones. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of cheated a bit with the weighing to try to catch up. All right, the machine works, whatever.
Round two, dough spreading. I'm using the cold pressed dough spreader and Mike's using expertise.
So we have our 2-day fermented dough balls done in the exact same automatic dough cutter that Mike was using earlier. And we're gonna go mano a mano. Are you ready? I'm gonna dust you on this one. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
The important thing about, hand stretching versus automated a lot of the time is you can really heat up the dough with a lot of automatic spreaders. But as you can see with Mike's there, as we go one for one right there, I better speed up. He doesn't heat the dough at all in the cold press. The cold press just stretches out very similar to what I'm doing with my hands here. But at the end of the day, you can't beat experience. How's it going, Mike?
Buddy,
Good?
are you serious? Look at this. Like, I've been doing this all my life, basically.
That inside of the actual top of this, it's like these cold rollers that are just rotating really, really quickly. And on the bottom, there's a wooden plate. They call it like a butterfly. And when Mike goes over to the right like that, it actually creates a little bit of crust as opposed to a lot of other presses, which are just gonna give you a completely flat product.
I mean, these don't look too bad, considering I have no idea what I'm doing.
And this is your first time using the machine too.
First time using any of this stuff. I'm more a coffee guy, but That's perfect,
Yeah,
right?
not bad, not bad. Hey, but can you do this with that? Can you do that? What's up, man?
How many am I
Where you
at?
at? How you at? Where you at?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more.
2 to go? Oh man, I'm at 8. I gotta step it up. Well, that's gonna be a photo finish.
Okay, here's my last one. Not bad. What do you think?
It's not bad actually.
Right?
Pretty good.
I like this one here. It's nice and big. I mean, I like.
Oh, these are they're all nice and even. Nice.
After winning 2 rounds, we're going into round 3 here. Who can dress and bake the best pizza?
All right, so I'll go first. What we have is our toppings, obviously. I'm gonna show Mike that there's a little bit more expertise that experience can only get you. There's no machine to save you on this one, buddy, so good luck, okay?
The right oven is my best friend.
All right, so here we have our dough that we were just stretching out before. It's on a screen, which is fantastic if you're an amateur and you're still trying to get good at making pizza. But the pros, we like to do it right on the table, okay? You know, they'll take away my license as a pizzaiolo if I use training wheels like that. There's a bit of an art to this. It's not just slapping everything onto a pizza, which a lot of people think it is. But I'm gonna start off with a little bit of San Marzano tomatoes, okay? Little 1.5 spoons right in the dead center of the pizza. Now I'm gonna put my next topping, basil, right? And when you're building the pizza, it's really, really important not to just kind of randomly put the toppings on. You wanna make sure that there's a little bit of thought process behind where you're putting each.
So there's actually a science to what you're
A
doing.
little bit of a science to it, yeah. Next up, I have my fior di latte. So some nice fresh mozzarella. And again, I'm not going to go too crazy here, just a little bit there. And then we'll do a little bit of dry mozza as well too, just to give a little bit of that pull, right? All right, so that's number 1.
All right, let's see number 2.
So this time we're gonna go a little bit more of a classic. We're gonna go with a deluxe, Canadian classic. The basil, little trick, little pro trick they don't tell you. You rub it a little bit before you pop it on the pizza. It really opens up the natural oils inside of the basil. Cheese third, try to remember that one. Pepperoni, not too much, again, not too much.
So even the cheese, you go light on the cheese.
When you have lots of toppings, you want to balance it out, right? Just to make sure I'm not overloading the pizza and everything bakes nice and evenly. There's our mushrooms, red onion. All right, that's it. Classic Canadian deluxe.
I'm gonna leave them on here.
Yeah, it's fine. It makes sense to leave them on there for sure.
Right,
Whatever's
look at automation.
easiest for you. You got sauce first, yeah. Nice technique there.
Well, that one looks too light.
Oh, all right.
This one,
So like double sauce on that one there? Typically we like to put the sauce on the pizza, but that's okay. You could put it on the table too. Okay, a little bit of cheese on there.
cheese is one of my favorite ingredients as a Canadian Italian.
All right, so that's your margarita.
Okay, now this one here was the deluxe.
Costs money, so you just gotta make sure we use it all. So the good thing about experience versus automation, I mean, automation can definitely make things consistent, but it's also taking 45 minutes for this guy to make a pizza.
This is a work of art. This is a work of art.
If possible, can we get these pizzas in the oven at some point today? We've got both of our deluxes here. Here's my deluxe. Here's Mike's deluxe. It's a good looking pizza. I'm just curious if it's gonna come out of the oven in one piece or not.
Buddy, this is gonna come. Can I cook it on the screen?
Yeah.
I feel like that's my only option.
All right, well, let's go see what happens.
We're gonna be baking the pizzas, and since I'm talking, I'm gonna call that one first.
The Checky is maybe a little bit past, out of your weight class a little bit, but again, with some training, we can get you there. If possible, I have the Moretti Forni S series here. Very versatile, very user-friendly, so if I were you, I would definitely rock with that one.
All right, let's go.
All right. Just gonna start sliding these into the Checky.
The flex here, I'm gonna pick it up.
Yeah.
Even though Chef Mike told me I didn't need to. I feel more official this way. I'm gonna open this guy up. And Mike, does it matter where I put it in this oven, or can I just kind of?
No, you're good. Just drop it wherever it works. Give it a little slap. So these Checky ovens are made from fire brick, not concrete, fire brick. Fire brick is much, much more durable than concrete and can withstand the very, very high temperatures that are created in this oven.
Are you kidding me? How long have I been doing this? Done. Oh, you look pretty busy over there, pal. How's it going?
You know, hard work pays off at the end of the day.
Okay, Mike, I'm playing with the buttons here. I think I need to bring the temperature.
Whoa. What are you doing? Why are you touching stuff? What are you doing?
No, look, 370.
Yeah, you get independent control over the top of the deck and the bottom of the deck. So if I'm doing like a pan pizza, pizza al taglio, something where I want to cook through a thick blue steel pan, I can have more temperature distribution come from the bottom. But if I'm doing something like what we're doing here, where we're really trying to cook on the stone and get some nice caramelization coming from the top, I can do my temperature distribution 80% on the top, 20% on the bottom. It's probably all gibberish to you at the end of the day. It means making a nice pizza. Overall, I'd say that you did pretty good for a beginner on your first day on the job here.
Not bad.
Nice and even. Did you say you learned something today, Mike?
That I can use the equipment, but you need kind of some training and expertise to really do this right.
I'm just gonna say, Mike, you did a fantastic job with the spreader, the stretching, the dressing, but I think you forgot something?
Sure, I don't care.
No, I think you forgot something.
Oh.
Mike, I'm already at 6 timers. It's so easy to use and you still manage to mess it up.
Oh man, Mike. Buddy, look at your margarita, man. This thing is torched, buddy. That's like a Frisbee.
You wanna go play Frisbee?
Yeah, honestly, can you imagine? Aren't those mine?
Nice try. I got my deluxe, got my margarita.
Got the Frisbee?
All right. Not bad on the sides here. Oh, you just went right in. So us professionals, we kind of like to analyze it a little bit. You got the nice crumb here, the gum line on the sides. Not bad, Mike. Not bad. Let's see how it tastes.
Yeah, you too. This is really good.
Not bad. This is actually really, really good.
Yeah. This is amazing.
Yeah, mine's better.
No way. This is good, man.
Hey, one of you guys, come over here. Come try this. Let us know. Mine's definitely better, though.
Not bad, though. Come on.
Pretty good, dude. I love on top.
You lost points for that, eh?
Did you see his reaction? Dude, come on. It's mine.
I gotta be honest, you gotta give it to Chef Mike. But I will say, you know, get a couple tattoo sleeves and you look the part.
I looked the part, right? Like if I walked in and be like, oh, this guy throws zaz.
Still really good though.
Having the right equipment will definitely make a huge difference in regards to consistency. So dough baller, spreader, that sort of thing. But ultimately, I think what we learned today is you also need some expertise and training to really excel at that.
Yeah, at the end of the day, Mike, honestly, for your first day, you did a fantastic job. These pizzas are fantastic. The Frisbee, at the end of the day, we'll find a use for it. But make sure you check us out too at www.faemaculinaryacademy.ca. Professional classes, consumer classes, all of the know-how that you need to take advantage of this equipment. Whether you're entry level or professional level, we got classes for everybody.
And Faema.ca for all your equipment needs.
Thanks for joining us today, folks. Have a great one.